Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I'm going to review the Mom's Co body butter. I make a lot of skincare reviews on my channel, so if you're interested, then please make sure that you're subscribed so you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Now let's get started with this review. This body butter comes in two different quantity, 100 grams for $4.29 and 200 grams for $6.99. The packaging of this body butter is quite simple. As usual, it comes in this plastic tub packaging. As this is a body butter, the texture is very thick and it is extremely moisturizing. This is the complete ingredient list of this product. Some of the key ingredients that they have used in this is cocoa butter, shea butter, rosehip oil and sea buckthorn oil. Let's check out the claims now. So they say that it increases skin elasticity, 24 hours moisturization, toxin free, allergy and dermatologically tested, PETA certified, cruelty free, soothes itchy and stretchy skin, controls stretch marks. So these were all of the claims that they have made about this product. Now I want to quickly share my overall review for this. I had seen a lot of reviews for this particular product and I think it is one of their best sellers and I really wanted to try this out. So finally I got my hands on this body butter. Now they come in two different quantities, so it's actually a good thing. If you want to test out the smaller quantity, you can definitely do that. I like this body butter. I've seen that there was one brand which I tried in body butter. It said body butter, but it was like a lotion type texture, so I didn't really like that. But this is like a proper body butter and it is like very thick and moisturizing. I think it is specially formulated for people with very dry skin, so extremely dry skin people would love it. And since it is winters now, so it's a great product to try. If you have like extremely oily skin and if you can manage with body lotion, then you can use that. But for body butter, if you want a good body butter, then this is a good product. As I mentioned that the texture is extremely thick, so you need a very less quantity while you are using this body butter. Because of its thick texture, it takes quite some time for it to get completely absorbed into the skin on application, so you need to take some time out whenever you are applying this body butter. The only thing that I did not like about it is the fragrance, which is not that pleasant to me. So but maybe some people might like it, so that is all that I noticed with it. Now they do make a lot of claims related to this body butter and they say that it will control stretch marks. They also claim to increase the skin elasticity and 24 hours of moisturization. They do make a lot of claims like controlling stretch marks and increasing skin elasticity. I don't think so that it would work for that, because when I checked the ingredient list, all it contained was a lot of good rich moisturizing ingredients, and that is all it is. It is a good body butter. It would just do that basic purpose of moisturizing. I don't think so that it can make a huge difference in the skin texture and the changes in the skin texture and a complete transformation in terms of stretch marks. So I don't agree with those big claims. Regarding other claims that they have made, it definitely works. 24 hours is a bit too much, but I think around more than 4 to 6 hours of moisturization it would give because of its rich moisturizing ability. So I would highly recommend this for people with extremely dry skin, and this would be a great product as a moisturizing body butter. So that is it that I had to share about the review of this Mom's Co body butter. I hope you found this review to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such skincare reviews, and you'll find a lot of these videos in the description box below. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.